Hi, in today's video, we're going to be talking about why I made the strange decision to upgrade from a perfectly good GTX 1070 to an RTX 2070 Super. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Also, check me out over on Twitch at twitch.tv/tooeasillyamused. Now let's get started.
Game time.
So I had a limited budget this last winter to plan a new computer upgrade. I'd been running an Intel 4770 for a couple of years. It was getting a little tired. It was kind of bottlenecking on the CPU side, and so I decided it was time to upgrade to a 9900K. Now that's absolute overkill, and you probably don't need that to game, but I did because I like to have extra overhead. Anyway, so I made the decision at the time of the build not to upgrade the video card because I figured a GTX 1070 is just fine. And so now I'm here to explain to you why I made the decision after the fact to go ahead and get the RTX 2070 Super. Now the first reason is that I like to get while the getting's good. What I mean by that is that I like to trade my hardware or sell my hardware while it's still worth enough so that it can offset the purchase price of whatever new hardware I'm about to get. So for my GTX 1070, it's still worth around $200. And so that's what I'm going to sell it for. The RTX 2070 Super was $499 on sale with free shipping, so I figured it was a $300 upgrade. Now, to me, that was perfectly acceptable, and that's why I decided to do it at this time. Another reason was that I found that after upgrading to the 9900K, my processor was kicking some serious butt, but the video card that I had was starting to become a little bit of a bottleneck. It was using a lot of GPU, not so much CPU. And so I really wanted to upgrade in order to kind of match that performance that my 9900K was giving me. And the other thing is the frame rate. Now the frame rate on the 1070 was by most standards what you would consider adequate. However, the RTX 2070 has hit the 240 to 250 frames mark that my little gamer heart really wanted to see. And, you know, that's kind of why I wanted to do that. Frames are really important as far as stabilizing for those drops in complex settings in a game. And so for me, getting as high a frames as possible for my maximum means my minimum is that much higher than normal. I'm really excited about trying ray tracing out. I know that it's not going to be on many titles right now, but in the future, it's going to be on probably everything. And it came with a free copy of Control by Remedy, and I'm a big fan of that series. I played all the Max Payne games, I played Alan Wake, I played Quantum Break, and now I'm going to play Control, and I'm going to do it included with the purchase price of my 2070 Super. Now, my last reason is something that really only applies to streamers, and that is NVIDIA's new NVENC encoder. Now, when you're streaming, you can choose a variety of different methods, but most people choose either the NVENC encoder or the H.264 encoder for encoding the stream to send it to Twitch. H.264 is known for getting a really high quality frame rate, but it taxes your CPU. With the NVENC encoder, the new NVENC encoder that came out with NVIDIA's new line of graphics cards is supposed to be H.264 performance without the hit to the processor. And so for me, that was why I wanted to make that switch. Tune in for my next video where I'm going to discuss a topic that's straight out of the comments in one of my videos, and that is the importance of frames per second or FPS. Until next time, good luck and have fun.